Selamat sore Bapak.
Sore.
Kami ingin menginterview Bapak untuk keperluan mata kuliah dan uji material and development kami. Sebelum kita mulai, Bapak boleh memperkenalkan diri Bapak dulu. Dari mana bisa di nama Bapak?
Oh, namanya. Ya, baik. Kami dari SMA 42. Saya akan memaparkan. Nama saya adalah Septian Baskoro. Usia saya 39.
Latar belakang pendidikan Bapak?
Latar belakang S1 pendidikan bahasa Inggris.
Tingkat pendidikan tinggi Bapak?
S1, strata 1.
Berapa lama pengalaman Bapak mengajar?
Pengalaman saya kurang lebih 18 tahun 5 bulan.
Baik, mari kita mulai langsung. Do you evaluate your learning materials?
Yes, of course. I evaluating my learning material. Is the first one is the criteria. I analyzing content and design. I evaluate.
Explain the steps involved in evaluating learning materials. If no, why?
It's number 3.
Enggak, itu Mas.
Next. Okay. I will explain about defining criteria and analyzing and content and design. It's about matching materials to the target, and then audience and context. And then ultimately assembly their effectiveness through various methods they use in learning. That's it.
Do you select the learning material? If yes, explain the steps in selecting learning materials. If no, why?
I think yes, selecting the material. If not, the material is understanding to audience. Audience is the students. Then defining learning objective, designing a plan, and then choosing the right creating engaging context, and then evaluating the materials. And final.
Do you develop the learning materials? If yes, explain the steps in developing learning materials. If no, why?
Yeah. Yes, I developing my materials every single learning, every single in the class. It's for audience, since the audience, the same in the last questions. Learning objectives, selecting appropriate and appropriate content, and the difference from the before questions is the final considering the context we use. That's it.
What factors do you consider when developing learning materials?
Factors. What number?
4.
The factor is the understanding the audience, defining clear learning objective, and then selecting appropriate content, and then concluding.
How do you organize your learning materials?
I organize my learning material by use the combinations of physical and digital methods.
What sources do you use to develop your learning materials?
Many sources that I use in learning materials. The first one is textbook, of course, and then the workbooks, the teachers, my relatives, teachers, and then libraries. We have libraries here, and then online platform like Google or GPT.
How do you ensure your learning materials are suitable for your students' age and interest?
I ensure my material that profit or subtle with my students. The first one is the materials. Educators should align the materials. Okay. Kemudian with the curriculum goals and the students' abilities. Consider diverse learning styles and provide feedback. And be appropriate, avoiding offensive or controversial.
Okay, now let's continue with me. Number 8. What language skills do you develop in your learning materials and why?
I developed, of course, the important thing is pronunciations. But because the pronunciations, sometimes they miss about the pronunciations.
Next, number 9. Do you develop activities or questions to encourage critical thinking skills? Why or why not?
Yes, yeah. In the first learning, in the first material, I developing the critical thinking by brainstorming, first one, and then role play, and then problem solving, and many others.
Next, number 10. Do you integrate cultural content into your learning materials? Why or why not?
Yes, of course, our cultural content is very important role for our learning because they will understand if we talk mixture between the language. Of course, the urban language.
What kind of culture is it?
It's Betawi's culture. Betawi's culture.
Next, number 11. How do you develop learning materials that target both students' cognitive and affective learning?
I align the cognitive and the affective content, affective and cognitive and affective. I align them with the first one, like storytelling. Yeah, music storytelling is one case of music storytelling. Students that they evoke their emotional expression, and then the response with challenging students intellectually can engage both cognitive and cognitive and affective dimensions.
Next, number 12. Do you provide learning materials that connect to students' real interests? Why or why not?
Yes, of course, we connect all the students' behavior outside of our learning in school. Of course, like the material of procedure, recount text, and so on.
Next, number 13. Do your learning materials provide exposure to the target language for achieving communicative purposes? Why or why not?
Exposure for communications. Yes, of course, the exposure are really matter to them and to emphasize the providing learning with repeated and diverse opportunities. Of course, there's many opportunities to our students in diverse and exposure, and then the principles of space, repetition, and multiple exposures enhance the learning, and then limitations and mastery of the concept. That's it.
Number 14. Do your learning materials provide extensive exposure to authentic English? Why or why not?
Authentic English, yes, of course, we exposure the authentic English because, like sometimes the task to have them to search in many sources like Google, and then they listen to the language in YouTube clients, and then they listen to the native speak with other natives. That's it. Okay.
The last question.
Next questions.
Number 15. Do your learning materials provide opportunities for cooperative learning? Why or why not?
Provide, of course, we are provide cooperative learning with the society in neighborhood, of course, like cleaning with English, like defining something in our nature, like in neighborhood. We also learn many things in our environments, like social exposure, like social, what it mean, like this, like interviewing someone in neighborhood in English.
Okay, that's it for the interview for today.
Okay.
Thank you for your time and thank you.